Imagine a spice so powerful that it has been used for thousands of years, not just to flavor food, but to calm pain, fight inflammation, protect organs, and even preserve life. Today we are diving deep into clove and clove water, a simple kitchen ingredient with shockingly complex biological effects that modern science is finally catching up with. If inflammation is silently damaging your joints, gut, blood vessels, or brain, this video may change how you see one tiny dried flower bud. Stay with me, because what looks small on your spice rack may be one of nature's most underestimated anti-inflammatory tools. Clove comes from the Syzygium aromaticum tree and is rich in bioactive compounds, especially eugenol. Eugenol is the molecule responsible for clove's strong aroma and most of its medicinal effects. Modern research confirms that this compound interacts directly with inflammatory pathways inside the human body. Before we go further, let us understand why inflammation matters. Acute inflammation helps healing, but chronic inflammation fuels arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, fatty liver, gut disorders, and even neurodegeneration. Reducing unnecessary inflammation is one of the most powerful strategies for long-term health. Now let us break this down clearly and scientifically. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory effects of clove at the cellular level. Clove contains eugenol flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic acids. Studies published in journals like Food and Chemical Toxicology show that eugenol suppresses inflammatory enzymes such as COX2 and reduces the production of inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukin-6. In simple terms, clove helps calm the chemical messengers that keep inflammation switched on. This is similar to how some anti-inflammatory drugs work, but clove does it naturally and gently when used in proper amounts. Animal studies demonstrate that clove extract significantly reduces swelling and pain in induced inflammation models. The effect is dose-dependent and linked directly to eugenol concentration. Number 2. Clove water and systemic inflammation reduction. Clove water is made by soaking cloves in water overnight or lightly boiling them. This process extracts water-soluble compounds and small amounts of eugenol. Drinking clove water allows these compounds to circulate systemically and influence inflammation beyond the digestive tract. Research indicates that regular intake of polyphenol-rich beverages reduces markers like C-reactive protein. Clove water contributes to this effect by providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecules in a bioavailable form. Think of clove water as a slow and steady signal to your body that says calm down, repair, and restore balance. Number 3. Joint pain and arthritis support. Inflammation is the main driver of arthritis pain. Eugenol has been studied for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties in osteoarthritis models. It reduces cartilage-degrading enzymes and decreases oxidative stress inside joint tissues. In traditional medicine, clove oil was often applied for pain relief. Modern studies confirm that clove compounds interfere with pain signaling pathways, which explains why clove can reduce stiffness and discomfort when used internally or externally. Clove water may support joint comfort over time by lowering baseline inflammation rather than masking pain. Number 4. Gut inflammation and digestive health. The gut is one of the most inflammation-sensitive organs in the body. Clove has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and carminative properties, meaning it reduces gas, bloating, and irritation. Studies show clove extract inhibits harmful bacteria while sparing beneficial microbes. This helps maintain gut barrier integrity and reduces endotoxin-driven inflammation. Clove water stimulates digestive enzymes, improves gastric emptying, and may help calm conditions like gastritis when used moderately. A calm gut means less immune activation and lower whole body inflammation. Number 5. Antioxidant power and inflammation control. Oxidative stress and inflammation are deeply connected. Clove is one of the highest antioxidant spices ever measured by ORAC values. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that trigger inflammatory cascades. Eugenol donates electrons to unstable molecules, preventing cellular damage. This reduces the activation of NF-kappa B, a master switch that turns on inflammatory genes. By reducing oxidative stress, clove indirectly shuts down inflammation at its source. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation and inflammatory signaling. High blood sugar increases inflammation by damaging blood vessels and activating immune cells. Research shows clove improves insulin sensitivity and slows carbohydrate digestion. Animal studies demonstrate that clove extract lowers fasting glucose and improves lipid profiles. This metabolic improvement directly reduces inflammation linked to diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Clove water may help blunt post-meal glucose spikes when consumed before meals, supporting long-term metabolic health. Number 7. Cardiovascular inflammation protection. Chronic inflammation damages arteries and accelerates plaque formation. Clove compounds reduce LDL oxidation and inhibit platelet aggregation. Studies indicate that eugenol improves endothelial function, allowing blood vessels to relax properly. This reduces vascular inflammation and lowers cardiovascular risk. Clove water supports circulation by reducing oxidative stress in blood vessels and improving nitric oxide signaling. Healthy blood vessels mean better oxygen delivery and reduced inflammatory burden. Number 8. Liver inflammation and detox pathways. The liver processes toxins, fats, and hormones. When overloaded, it becomes inflamed. Animal research shows clove extract protects liver cells from chemical-induced damage and reduces inflammatory enzyme levels. Clove enhances antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase in the liver. This improves detoxification efficiency and reduces fatty infiltration. Clove water supports gentle liver function without overstimulation, making it suitable for long-term use. Number 9. Brain inflammation and cognitive support. Neuroinflammation contributes to brain fog, anxiety, and neurodegenerative diseases. Eugenol crosses the blood-brain barrier and exhibits neuroprotective effects. Studies show clove compounds reduce microglial activation, which are immune cells in the brain responsible for chronic inflammation. By lowering oxidative stress and inflammatory signaling, clove may support memory, focus, and long-term brain health. Number 10. Immune system modulation. Clove does not overstimulate the immune system. Instead, it modulates immune responses. Research shows clove extract balances pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines. This means clove helps the immune system respond when needed and calm down when the threat is gone. Clove water is particularly useful during periods of immune stress when inflammation tends to linger longer than necessary. Number 11. Antimicrobial effects linked to inflammation reduction. Infections often cause persistent inflammation. Clove has strong antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Eugenol disrupts microbial cell membranes and inhibits biofilm formation. By reducing pathogen load, clove indirectly reduces inflammation driven by immune activation. This explains why clove has been traditionally used for oral health, sore throat, and digestive infections. Number 12. Oral inflammation and dental health. Clove is famous in dentistry for good reason. Eugenol reduces gum inflammation, tooth pain, and bacterial growth. Studies confirm clove oil reduces markers of gingivitis and periodontal inflammation. Clove water used as a mouth rinse may support oral microbiome balance. A healthy mouth reduces systemic inflammation since oral bacteria can enter the bloodstream. Number 13. Skin inflammation and oxidative damage. Inflammation accelerates skin aging and worsens acne and eczema. Clove's antioxidant properties protect skin cells from UV-induced inflammation. Topical and internal use of clove compounds reduces inflammatory mediators in skin tissue. This supports clearer skin and improved barrier function. Clove water supports hydration and antioxidant intake that reflects on skin health over time. Number 14. Respiratory inflammation relief. Clove has expectorant and anti-inflammatory effects on the respiratory system. It relaxes airway muscles and reduces mucus production. Traditional use of clove for cough and sore throat is supported by modern research showing reduced airway inflammation and microbial growth. Warm clove water may soothe irritated airways during seasonal stress. Number 15. Hormonal inflammation balance. Hormonal imbalances often increase inflammatory markers. Clove supports endocrine health by reducing oxidative stress in hormone-producing glands. Animal studies suggest clove improves testosterone balance and reduces stress-induced hormonal inflammation. Balanced hormones mean fewer inflammatory signals throughout the body. Number 16. Pain perception and inflammatory signaling. Pain is closely tied to inflammation. Eugenol interacts with TRPV receptors involved in pain sensation. This explains why clove reduces pain intensity without numbing function. It modulates pain rather than blocking it entirely. Clove water supports gradual pain reduction by addressing inflammation at its biochemical root. Number 17. How to prepare clove water correctly. Use 1 to 2 whole cloves per cup of water. Soak overnight or boil gently for 5 minutes. Do not overboil. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning or between meals. Excessive intake may cause irritation due to eugenol potency. Consistency matters more than quantity. Number 18. Safety and dosage considerations. Clove is powerful. High doses of clove oil can be toxic. Whole cloves and clove water are safer when used moderately. Pregnant individuals, people on blood thinners, or those with liver conditions should consult a professional before regular use. Respect the dose and let the compound work naturally. Number 19. Clove versus other anti-inflammatory species. Compared to turmeric and ginger, clove has higher antioxidant density per gram. Its eugenol content gives it unique pain-modulating properties. Each spice works through different pathways. Clove complements rather than replaces others. Variety enhances anti-inflammatory nutrition. Number 20. Long-term benefits of consistent use. The real power of clove lies in regular low-dose use. Over time, it lowers baseline inflammation, supports cellular repair, and improves resilience. This is not a quick fix. It is a long-game strategy for metabolic, immune, and inflammatory balance. Small habits create powerful biological shifts. If you found this breakdown useful, share this video with someone who thinks spices are just for cooking. Subscribe for science-backed gut and inflammation content. Like the video if you learned something new. And comment if you want a full video on combining spices for maximum anti-inflammatory effects. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Trust your gut and flex your life.